Hi beekeepers, today we're checking in on the queens that we've installed recently. It has been 6 days since we installed them, and so I would expect the queen to be released at this point. So we remove the cage, we check the ends, the cork is still there. That's not the end we need the end with the sugar. So we look inside here, there is a hole. It appears to go all the way through, but I can still see some candy in there, a lot of candy actually. So let me take a look at who's inside here. So if I take a look, move some of the bees out of the way, I can see, yes, the queen is still in the cage. She hasn't been released yet. So maybe the opening, which is big enough for the bees to get in, is still too small for her body to get out. So another thing I want to take a check and see is how are the bees reacting to this queen. So they seem pretty excited about the queen here. That's not always a good thing. So let me check, just do a little finger test. If they move aside easily, then we're pretty good. If you see lots of biting of the wire and them balling up on the wire and really clinging to it as you try to move them aside, that's a bad sign that they will probably reject this queen. So I can let the bees continue to release this queen over the next couple of days and check back again then. Until next time, happy beekeeping.